In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a loan from Union Bank. If you are looking for a way to apply loan online on Union Bank, then here's how you can do it. First, open a preferred web browser, or you can also open up the Union Bank online application on your smartphone. Once you open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in www.unionbank.ng.com/loans. Press enter on your keyboard. After you end up in the official site, go ahead and scroll a bit down and click on this apply for a loan option. You'll then end up in the loan application form. To get started, type in your name in the first text box, enter your last name on the next, and then type in your mobile number. If you have a Union Bank online account, make sure to click on this yes option from the drop down. If not, select no and enter the rest of the information according to the selection. On the next field, if you have a Union Bank account, you'll need to type in your account number, the bank verification number, and your residential address. Select your state of residence, local government authorities, personal email address, and make sure to type in all of these information correct. Select your marital status, select your gender, employment status, select the loan type, and after you fill in all of the details, you can click on the submit button in order to apply for a loan on Union Bank. After you do that, you'll be able to apply for a loan from Union Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thank you for watching.